In this video I'm going to show you how to write text and in Premiere Pro also make it center. For this already open a footage in here. I'm going to increase the size here. Okay, also for this I need to click that type tool. If you are not see the tool panel in here, you can go the Windows and make sure this is checked. To select the type tool, click here, new kingdom, okay, and go to the essential graphics. Okay, if you are not see essential graphics is here, you can go Windows and check it. Essential graphics is back here. Now select the text, or you can select here, then you can see align and transformation. Text align will be left, horizontally center, right, top, bottom, also vertically center. So if we want to make the center vertically center or horizontally center, then text will be centered in here. Also after that you can make it center, then you can click here also. So after that this is position, you can change the text position from here. Also you can change the text position from here. So here is the scale, you can increase the scale from here, and there is the so this is the opacity of text. Okay, opacity is 100%. so position will be center. Then style, if you create the style and save the text style, you can see the style list will display in here. So yet I have no style, so and you can change here the font. I want to add the impact, see, change here will be the style, regular, medium, any style will be displayed here. Also here is the font size, you can increase it or you can add here this 50 is good. The scale is 100. Okay, after that here is the space between the text. So this is line height, 2 line height. Also here is the italic or all caps, all letter will be capital letter. Then you can find here text color, so you can change any color as you want. So I hope white is good for now. Now also you can add stroke color, stroke will be red. See, I add a stroke color. Also stroke will be how many size, stroke 5 or 10, stroke size is 10. Stroke outer, inner or center, inner, center. I hope center is good. Also you can use the background, background will be white also. So here is the background opacity, padding, see, you can increase the padding also from here. Text color will be red, this will be, border will be black color, outer also 5. Okay, now you can change the border radius also 5 or increase little bit, see, border. Also you can add here shadow, okay, text shadow from here also you can edit the text in here. Also you can get the same things will be here also. Font style, font family, font style, font size, color, shadow, the other thinking also. So hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.